What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2020 Chevrolet Trax. So like I said, it's a 2020 Chevy Trax in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. And if we take a look on the right-hand side, we see this dampening latch right here. If you just get your finger around it, it'll pull off of there like that. Now there's two stops that are holding the glove box up, preventing it from coming down. You can see my fingers on one right here, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what you want to do is push in towards the center of the glove box like this, and then it allows that stop to clear. And we'll come over here and do the same thing. And if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. Pull in towards the center, and then once you get those two stops to clear, the glove box will come down like that. Now if we take a look in the space behind there, we see this item that says filter access door. In order to get that off, there's two clips, one on each side, and it just pushes in like this, and then pick up a little bit on the glove box. Come over here, same thing on this side, and again, if you have both your hands free, it's really easier to do these both at the same time, but just push in on that clip, and then we'll pull up, and the door will just swing up like that. And now we see our actual filter right here. And this filter was just recently changed, so I'm not going to change it. But when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor of the vehicle. So once you slide your new filter in, then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So snap that door down, and then we'll pick up on the glove box until those two stops catch. And then the last thing we need to do is reattach this dampening latch. So if we just get that started on there like that, it pushes on kind of tough. So what I like to do is grab a screwdriver and then just use it to push this the rest of the way on like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.